ADATA Technology, a leading manufacturer of high-performance SDRAM modules and NAND flash products, announces its next-generation XPG SPECTRIX D41 DDR4 RGB memory module. The memory module brings together a new refreshing aesthetic design, striking speeds, and stunning programmable RGB lighting to offer avid gamers a worthy upgrade for their setups. What's more, the XPG SPECTRIX D41 supports Intel X299 2666 MHz and AMD AM4/Ryzen platforms and comes in two color options, crimson red and titanium gray. Inspired by armor, the SPECTRIX D41's metal heatsink features a bold silhouette to symbolize its impressive performance. On top is a fully exposed RGB LED light strip that glows unhindered, letting the colors and lighting effects of the user's choosing shine through. Users can enhance their gaming experiences with programmable lighting effects to set up patterns, pulse speed, lighting intensity, and more. This can all be controlled with the ADATA RGB Sync app or an existing RGB light control software from a major motherboard maker. Speed and efficacy. The SPECTRIX D41 delivers outstanding performance and striking speeds with operating frequencies ranging from 2660 MHz to over 4600 MHz. It supports both Intel X299 2666 MHz and AMD/Ryzen platforms, as well as Intel Extreme Memory Profile, XMP 2.0 for hassle-free overclocking through a PC's operating system and enhanced system stability. In the third quarter of 2018, ADATA XPG will offer a variant of the SPECTRIX D41 that will deliver speeds of up to 5000 MHz. Reliable and durable. The SPECTRIX D41 is built with high-quality chips filtered through a rigorous selection process that ensures maximum reliability and durability. It features a custom-engineered heatsink and a 10-layer PCB that offers improved signal transfer quality and greater stability. As with all ADATA and XPG memory modules, the SPECTRIX D41 XPG comes with a lifetime warranty.